continue to debug this stupid thing. Oh my god. So if I do go live, there we go. Okay, now it's working. Come on, Brady, you're smart. Okay. I was already live. Which version of Already Live Me was it? Because there was about like 3. Anyways. Thank you. Oh yeah, David Cutter stuff is absolutely fantastic. Just like thousands of it. You heard me talking. Oh no, yeah, like when I was on this screen for, like 5 seconds. Woof. Whoa. All right, so I totally forget. Hi, good morning, welcome. I totally forget where I stopped. I think what happened was my Wi-Fi cut out for a little bit. This is root beer, by the way. This is root beer. This is not beer. This is not a drunk coding stream. This is not. One day I allegedly may consider it, but that is not today. I also didn't set up, I mean, I can just open my computer. Wait, let me just open my laptop and then I'll have then I'll have another screen. That's how this works, right? Yes, there we go. Boop. Awesome. And not only can I not see it because my monitor is glitching under it. There we go. And then now I can move this chat. Hell yeah. Put it up, right, dude. Okay, I can move that there. Awesome. Woo. Now the real question is, does the same link work? No, that's okay. So I gotta copy the new link, which is this link. No, that's okay. And I take this and I put it in here and I go, live again. New link, new me. All right, there we go. Good morning. I just want the chat. Why can't I just pop out the chat? Oh, why is YouTube make this so difficult? Why? Pop out. There we go. All right, that's attainable. All right, where were we? Oh my god. Oh, we were doing. All right, I was doing import mode stuff, and we were making sure that when you selected import mode, that the track is actually keeping track of what import mode it is. It was already posted while I was still typing. Yeah, that stream delay. It's like negative latency. I'm in the future. Let's give you a let. Cool. The volume stuff, let me know if the balance is good and everything. Okay. So whenever we import a track or a set of tracks, we use the import mode that we've set in the settings. Sounds perfect. Awesome. No, you sounds perfect. It's because I can't hear you. That's there. Cool. So that should work. Let's see if it works. You love those comments? Yeah, me too, dude. Me too. I like this one. Fix me. This should be implemented. But like this is like part of the whole next thing of the import. This is gonna be like post V1, so yeah. Oh, did I delete my tracks already? No, we're gonna do that. Oh yeah, look at this little sneak peek right here. You could do different. Ooh, is that a singleton? Where? You don't see any singletons. It's from app storage. It's for app storage. I want a singleton. I want a singleton. Singletons, you can quote me on this. Singletons aren't that bad. The reason that yay, it's all reference. And then now if I do copy and I select some, oh wait, it did the same ones. Let me do this again. I did copy and I select some, copy, woo, awesome. Why instance? I don't remember. Oh, maybe like in case I want to mock it. I don't know. I'm like very low brain today. If my chopsticks and crunchy Cheetos or anything, and my root beer or anything to go by. So my hands don't get dirty. That's what it's for. The animation was hot. Thank you. You know what was great? This importing didn't actually do anything. I think on prod, there's a bug. I think I might have fixed it along with me going, but like someone opened a bug report about it, which I'm very grateful. But it was just so funny. I was like, God damn it! Like, yeah. So like until I ship version 0.5, just can't use it really. Can't add any new stuff, which I always find kind of funny, you know. So. I'm gonna keep arc. I wish I can just keep this arc window on top, but it's fine. Okay, so, oh, and then I also updated the settings window for that too. And this I'm pretty proud of. This took a while to look good. And it's the same setting. Whoa, this needs UX fixes. I'm gonna come back to this. So, okay, so that works. That's good. I'm gonna commit it. This is gonna be reference and copy option in prod. Define. Yeah, I think those are the two I'm gonna have. So like, yeah, reference mode references tracks in their existing location. If they are moved, deleted, they will no longer be available. Copies tracks to cabinet's vault. And I'm gonna add a little info thing and do like, what's a vault? Like maybe, but for now I'm just using it generally. What issue is this? This is cab 171. Import track persists and keeps track of import mode, of its import mode. I already forgot it was 171. Hey, is your socket running? Is your refrigerator running? Okay. So now I have to actually figure out the next part of it, which is actually doing it, right? So let's clean this up a little. So in here, you click the thing and then I'm just gonna delete this because we're good. Wait, do I have a ticket for tracking drag and drop? Oh, no. I gotta do this. This is a separate thing I've done for, oh, this is for 0.5. Is it really? Are you fucking kidding me? Yeah, okay. I might push that off, we'll see. Thanks to your pregnant live streams, my dog is now proficient at writing Swift. I'm so glad Charlie can write Swift now. Okay, so we do our thing and we import tracks. What's audio file service again? Oh, right. This is actually some of the earliest code I wrote. This is like some of the earliest code I wrote. So we have to check the import mode, right? So I don't know why I have this set up like this. I think it's for mocking stuff, but it should just work the same. Oh, because I see. Okay. Because this is like actual file system stuff, and then this one's like not file system. Or no, it is file system. I don't know. So we need to do our app storage thing again. Use one of these. Wow. I should stream setting up Fastlane. I might. We'll see. We'll Ruby. So, we can do. Where are we actually creating the track? So that's for import tracks, and we call that. Oh wait, why is this in a view models folder? Hold on. Also, why is this not the audio file service? I'm so confused. All right, let's do a little refactor here because this is confusing as fuck. Am I like actually using this anywhere? Oh, I am. I have a mock. Okay. And that retrieves a list of URLs. Why do I want to do that? And then, where is it? Sorry. And then there's like this special method I could probably call once. Yeah, okay. I see. Let's actually use our brain this time and think a little bit more when I do this. So we're gonna move this to be a audio file engine, which is it's a real implementation of an audio file service, which contains that function and import tracks, which takes file URLs and returns back tracks. So we have our get file URLs, which this is gonna be, is there a way to do, oh, I guess I could do an extension, right? Audio file service, and this is gonna be mocking. Non-mocking implementations don't need to, oh, let me know if the typing's too loud, by the way. Non-mocking applications don't need to, we'll just get the file URLs from the user. Right, so we can just do like a get file. So we just do an empty impl for that. Cool. So with that, we have our service, we have our, let's be, oh wait, no, we don't have our service because this is the service, right? And we don't need that anymore. And that's our implementation to import tracks, and then get file URLs we don't implement. We shouldn't need to, because there's a extension. Come on, Xcode, you're smart enough to do that, right? Is it? Are you? Can you? Will you? Anyway, this is gonna throw a fit. Because this doesn't have import tracks, which actually would do the same thing as the main one. because our mock one is still, it's just mocking it with like that, if that makes sense. So actually that doesn't really mock it. So that's funny. So I could delete this. Boop. Bye-bye. And then now we're gonna get an error somewhere. This one, right? Yeah. And this is gonna use that. And then we're gonna wanna get URLs, right? So this will be like this. And we just have like some hard-coded data that we're gonna reference in here. Oh. This is gonna be a little sucky, but it's okay. And then this is file URLs is just gonna be get file URLs. Must have optional type. Well, now it doesn't return optional. Nice, I don't have to worry about that weird case. Awesome. I love it when things are made to make sense. And then I don't know why this isn't working, because maybe this has to have like the exact same parameters, but it does. Async returns a track, file URLs, array. We shouldn't need to have the get file URLs because there's an extension that provides the default implementation. Unless I need one for both. Which I should. Do only, what is it? Where's my arc window so tiny? Extensions are distinct from optional protocol requirements. Yeah, that's fine. If a conforming type provides its own implementation of a method or property, that one will be used instead of the one. Yeah, that should totally work. That's strange. Thanks. Have fun on your run. Stay safe. Don't fall. I'll just put a thing here. Should be inferred from default protocol. Okay, we'll just kind of breeze past that. And so this is all like the metadata error handling stuff. And then I'm gonna add a little helper here for the actual like importing, right? So, oh, I'm silly. We wouldn't do that here. Ooh. Oh, all right. This audio file engine. We wouldn't need to do this here because it would be done a layer lower. That'd be done here. Perform handle import mode. Let's do that maybe. And then this can just be a private func with like a nice little let's do it like this. Maybe we could do it where's our thing? Our App storage, import mode. So how do I want to do this? I think it would make sense to do it kind of all at once as like a batch. So it would be like this, tracks, like copy if needed. And we're not modifying them, so actually this would be fine on its own. Also, I'm gonna turn on my monitor brightness a little bit. Oh, it's already all the way up, oh boy. It would help if I name functions correctly. And it helps if I type correctly. Okay, so for track in tracks dot filtered, where the import mode equals copy. And it doesn't like it because the trailing closure is confusing. We could do that. We could just shadow it. And then we're gonna need a central location to copy it to, which would just be in our container, right? The problem is I don't remember. Where was I doing that before? That's when I was doing. I don't want to look at this code. This is all the way back when I was doing like the custom JSON crap. Like, but I just don't remember which one had it work. And well, I get to reuse a lot of this code, so that's nice. So let's do this. Isn't this, can I use git work tree or something like that? And I should be able to just put a commit hash, right? And then it'll like take me there. Let me, for Swift data, wherever it is. Where's the Swift data stuff? I just lost it. Here we go. Copy commit hash. How does it work? Also working trees. Check out my branch. Da 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 da. Simplest form, automatically creates a new branch whose name is the final component. It plans to work on a new one. Okay. So I should be able to just do this. Is ambiguous. That should be fine. Okay. Huh? I'm confused. Oh, I see. I want to delete that one. Where's our remove? Okay, why are you still here? Okay. Did I break anything? No, we're good. I think I just have to put the path, right? This would just be like, I don't know. Let's do test. Oh, shit. There we go. Awesome. So I can open this and let's just go to wherever this was, right? This is right before the Swift data stuff. And I don't remember how I did this. Oh, I forgot about this. Oh my God. It was like only a few months ago, but like it feels like forever. So I'm doing this to figure out where my code was for writing stuff to our local container. Here we go. Here it is. Here it is. Awesome. I'm so happy I get to reuse this bit of code. So this will be our, what do I want to call this? Like our file manager. You can just call this like library files or something. I think I did it before, like it was service based. I'm not sure why. Oh, because I was going to do this as like a persistence thing. Okay, we don't need that. We'll just do it like this for now, and then we could rename it. This is a macOS file manager. So we don't want this though. This is just going to be called library. And then instead of creating this, we'll come back to that because we don't need that. So this would just be called library, right? And this would be where all the tracks go. Track 1.mp3. Track 2, mp3. Ideally, these would be all cleaned up nicely. Hello. Someone wants to sit on the desk. Let's do our storage type. What's the storage type? Oh, that's like the stuff we actually want to write. So what if we just did URLs? We can have like copy to library. And those are the tracks we want to copy over. And we wouldn't want to encode it, right? We would want to, there you go. Hi. Oh, there she is. There's the coding. There's the rubber duck. There's our rubber duck. Before you knock over my water and my root beer all over my laptop, I'm gonna move them over here. Yep. Hi. How are you? Can you help me debug this? Not yet. She's working on her debug skills. Aren't we all? So this will actually copy it over, right? And then it's something like this. And we'll want it to be atomic, and then we have to implement load at some point too. And we don't want to do backup. Excuse me. Yeah, because this involves two steps, right? We're going to have to implement loading after this. So the first part is copying in, and then the second part is loading it, right? So let's do this. So this one's going to be importing. And then we're going to have another ticket that is track storage loading. Read tracks. Actually, that might not be needed because it's all just through Swift data. Because we're persisting it. Yeah, we're totally fine. Hell yeah. Okay, that should totally work. We'll need one for delete later. That's what we need. So our library files, instead of load, we'll just have a little to do in here. I wish Swift had like the Rust kind of style to do's. Those are really cool. And then instead of this, right, we're just gonna be using the track name. So we're gonna make this like a helper function for local, let's call this like library URL or track. And this will just be however we want to encode it, right? So it'll just be the track title, I guess. Well, now it depends how we're importing them, right? So the way I did it was ephemerally equals. So title, like, genre is composed and added. That's like how I'm hashing them. So theoretically, if you were to import 2 songs with the same title in Finder, that would be considered like, hey, you're replacing it. It's the same one because it's named the same. But I'm checking deeper than that. So it's possible to have 2 songs named the same thing as long as their length or genre or date composed or date added differ. So let's do this for now. Let's create one called fuck. Let's do this. Let's do like shallow. And this one's going to be used for persisted comparisons. Mirrors, finders, same name, same thing, behavior, right? So title, artist, title, right? So we're going to consider 2 tracks equal if their name matches because we're just storing them by their title. Title? Title. Okay. And when we import, right, we're parsing out the title, I'm pretty sure. This is fun. This is so much fun. I'm having so much fun. I'm having a moderate amount of fun. Oh, nice. We just take the whole name. Okay. We'll probably want to take it later for that, though. We'll probably want something like, I'll put it in triage for now. Should be split out to constituent metadata. Parts. And this is going to be a feature as part of the import wizard. This is going to be for like 1.1 or something later, right? Cool. Okay, so for now we're just using the name. Okay, that's fine. So we can just do that. Ooh, crap. I'm not including the I'm not including the extension type, right? Is there a key for that? Content type? Oh God. These don't help me. I want to know. Maybe it's an AV asset one that I can use. What's this? Oh, lovely, it's one of these. What is it? Common metadata. Portable, playable, readable, metadata characteristics, size, time, frame, number, value, bunch of preferred. All right, that's not helpful. We're gonna have to dip our toes in here, right? Where is this coming from? Calling this property is discouraged. Not that one though. Ooh, hello imports. Common metadata. Yeah, it just says like for each thing where like common metadata is available. Where can we get it? That's not what we want, I think. Yeah, that's for like building an extension. Because we already have our file, it's here. I just want the extension. Oh, does it include it? Duh. Hi, it includes it. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, I'm including the dot. Oh, really? Am I including the .mp3 every single time? That's embarrassing. Get a load of this guy. I forgot. I'm like knee deep in the refactor. We're just gonna boop. Oh. I don't know why I called it file view model. I really don't know why. And then where's like the one place I call it? Oh, do I not? Are you kidding me? I love it. And that's not a good sign if it's not finding that function. Thanks, Lonnie. Yeah, follow me on Mastodon. Ooh, that's my little shout out. Follow me on Mastodon. Alright, that's enough, right? Build failed. Buddy, there's no errors. Couldn't find handle drop. It's right there. Wait, what? Oh, I stubbed it out and then I deleted it. I see. What did I do? Come on. Oh, okay, I can just do that. Let's just do that for now. Right, if I just like import a bunch of shit. Wow, okay, I'm literally not even parsing that out. Woof. Woof, woof, woof. Let's leave that as a later Peter problem. An LPP, as we say. So we'll just do that, and then it's gonna put it as not a directory, which is fine. It's gonna put them in there. Track titles include that. We don't, that comment makes absolutely no sense already. These are going to be our helper functions. And so we first call create, which tries to create the storage directory. And instead of saving it in backups, what was this before? Oh, that's the website. Hello. Yeah, we don't want to create that nested folder. We just want to create our main one. Oh, we got the little intermediate directories. I guess we're not using it, so that's fine. Okay, so that creates this, and then we now need to copy the files over and update the URL. So we don't want to like do encoding. We literally want to copy a file over. So how do we do that? File manager dot copy. Ooh, lovely. How do we want to do this? Do we want to do this one or this one? Which ones look funkier? The delegate methods are defined in that protocol. Oh, it really doesn't matter. These methods replace their non-error returning counterparts below. See the NS file manager delegate. Okay. Where are you? Let's use the path one. Because it doesn't matter, right? Because we already have the track URL. So we're going to copy that to the new location, which is going to be library URL for track, and that's going to include appending the name at the end, and we're going to mark it with try, right? And then we want to do let's call this like storage URL. Current storage URL. And then after that, we want to set the track, the new URL, to be, so like we want to persist. We want to persist that the track is at this new location. Is at this new location. And then we don't need to do this, right? Easier than I thought. Things can just fail on. I guess I should put the do catch like as far in as I can, right? So it only fails on the ones that it really should fail on. Oh, hello. Oh, it's almost indented, that's why. Okay. Shouldn't need a label. And then it'll do that. Okay. Am I calling these? Hold on. Create's gonna create the, it's gonna try creating the directory if it doesn't exist. And then when we call import, which is here, this is gonna call copy if needed, which we don't even need, right? This is just gonna be, can these just be static? No, because I really want to have that instance. singleton to ensure the root directory is only created once, or at least isn't spammed. And then files to be added in copy the library. Cool. And then, cool, we just pass them all in. And then we're gonna put as a precondition, does not check. I don't know if, does it make sense to, yeah, it's better if I do this. I can just have it be let tracks. Let's do this basically here, right? And then as a precondition or post condition, copies all tracks with import mode copy to the central vault. There we go. So we don't need to do this, and then we could just call this. This would be library engine share.copy. We pass in our tracks. And that's gonna modify them. It's synchronous, which should be fine. What do you mean? Hi, I know how to write a singleton. Okay, let's run the switch format. Oh shit, that's not on that one. Where is... My cat is sniffing something there. I don't know what. I have some like ginger cookies out, I guess. Ginger snaps. Oh no, she has noticed I have looked at her. She has returned for attention. She's returned to sit. Aw, she's so cute. Girl. I'll get to play with her later. That'll be fun. Okay. All right. See what happens if it builds. Oh, yeah, those errors are just kind of sticking around, I guess, huh? Let's delete these. And then these would be reference, right? So these shouldn't do... I still have that 2-second print in here. Okay, those are all reference, so I'm gonna delete them. Actually, we could check our other logic works, right? So if I try to do these all again, it should not copy them. Why did it try to copy them? Let me try it again. Oh, it called, I see, it called this here. On the first time it accessed it, it didn't actually try to do it correctly, so we're good. It's okay, because that's why it's printing the empty, which I don't know where it's printing the empty. It's probably somewhere back here. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna delete them, and then I'm gonna try doing, let's open our thing. Oh yeah, I found out you can put files in the toolbar and Finder again. That was a fun little thing. And for the app containers, they put all the app icons on here, which is really cool. So there's my app icon there. So that's nice. So I can just instantly go to this directory. I never knew these were here. So if I go to, what is it, library, application support, cabinet. Oh no, it's just here. Okay. Or no, it should be next to here. Duh. It should be next to here. We'll see. We'll see it pop up. So we go here, deleted all of them. We go here, we go here. Oh, I did a reference. Damn it. Okay. Delete. Let's clear the console too. This is actually kind of exciting. I forgot to set the mode again. Error copying. You don't have permission to access library. Buddy, it is my own thing. Also, if this fails, this is not true. We don't want to do that. Because like if something goes wrong in here, we don't want to import it. I'm just thinking like, how do I separate the ones that need to be copied here and the ones that aren't? Like I could take them out of the array and then put them, and then only put the ones back in that worked. This is a good song. Let copied tracks. And I'll put our filter thing back here, right? So we'll do this, and then, tracks that have been successfully copied. Subset of those passed in. It's not a strict subset. See, we'll just do that. Space efficiency, who's she? There we go. And then we'll try copying it, and then if it works, we'll do success tracks.append track. And then we don't want to do this yet, right? Oh, that's a local array. Oh, we're good. Wait, when does it get persisted? Doesn't it get persisted here, or only when we add it to the context? I think it's only when we add it to the context, which would be done here. Oh, okay. So the track importing, this is like strictly the data layer. Not persisting. So like, let's call it like file model layer, not persisting. So that's fine. Tracks. Append contents of copyable tracks. I'm sure there's a better way to do it. I just can't think of one right now. All right, so we're just gonna return success tracks. Right, that. If it works, we success. If it doesn't, it'll just skip over it. Returns the array of them back. So we take out the ones that we should copy. It returns all the ones that successfully copied, which might not be all of them, but should be all of them. Then we return that back to the thing. And it's all synchronous, which is fine. So let me make sure I don't have any tracks in here. Oh, I have all of them. Hello. So this should have no tracks go through, right? Because they're airing out currently. Damn. Why did that happen? Right, the do catch should continue and skip over it. Oh, I want this, not filter. Doesn't it need the parameter? Is there one that returns everything that it removed? Am I silly? What's the one for it? By skipping elements and returning their meaning, not really what we want. Yeah, it just returns, it doesn't actually return the ones that you removed. I really wish it did. Again, we'll just do the silly way. And this will just be the oh, we want to do this first, like this. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and be like, what the fuck did I write? What was I on? Nothing. I was on nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna come back to like, what the hell is that? All right, now it should work. Now it should work. Let's delete the existing ones. And then we'll do this. Woo, awesome, great. Because a file with the same name already exists. Let's maybe save what we have so far here. This will be was it cab 171? Oh, I don't need that folder anymore. That's fine. I don't have permission to access library. Huh? Buddy. That should be fine. I shouldn't need, because I'm sandboxed and I'm writing within my own container, right? Maybe I need to do application. I'm pretty sure that does it too. I want to print it. All right, let's go to our old friend Google, or not Google, but you know what I mean. Right to app sandbox container macOS. I've already clicked on all these links. Oh no, that's not a good sign. That's for importing, exporting. How do I like save them? It's related types, other standard folders, but that's like outside of the app. I don't want that. Migrating existing stuff, which is basically what I'm doing, right? This is not code I want. But I wonder if your app has full read and write access to its sandbox container and can run programs located there as well. There's no way I have to like write, like I have to do the path manually, right? Let's try that. Was that just, oh, thanks. I went to the wrong one. There we go. Really? Just NS home directory? That users or applications home directory. Oh, okay. Oh, I love what's called NS open step. NS open step, NS home directory. Oh, great, it's a URL. Shit. Why? Okay, let's do this. Let's do and then we'll just do to like, I don't know. Can I just do like nil? Can I just do nil? We'll just return nil, and then we'll do URL appending it. We'll return that. I don't have any error handling set up. That's nice yet because I haven't gotten there. I guess we can just do like the music directory, and then this is now not optional anymore. See what happens. Set a breakpoint for funsies. Breakpoints for style. Specified URL type isn't supported. Error copying. That's weird. Let's make sure our parameters are correct. Oh, what the hell? Oh, that's fine. That one's okay. So the track URL is the full URL. In this case, it's all that crap, right? Current storage URL is that. Does this exist? Data library. Oh, that's not what we want. Oh, I'm silly. I'm trying to create one that's already called library. Let's call this like track library. That might be why, because we had a name conflict. Oopsie. Okay. Specify URL type. Which one? They're encoded properly. Data track library. There's the folder. All right, this is a Google question. Another one. Whenever you create a URL from a file path, you must use the file URL with path. Using string and elasher is only valid creating a URL that belongs to a scheme. Oh, is that why? Look, because this one's file and this one's just that. Okay, so this, I just have to change this. So instead of being that, it would be file URL with path, right? Oh, does that just work? Oh, nice, awesome. Awesome, I don't have to worry about thinking about any of that crap. And I can do this. Woo! I love it when stuff like solves itself, you know? It's pretty nice. All right, let's hope that worked. Damn it! What do you mean I don't have permission to access it? It's in the sandbox. I swear to God. I swear to God. Oh my God. It's in the sandbox. I don't know what to say. I created the file. I created the folder. I created the folder. Ugh. Okay. This is the annoying part about all this crap. I want to write to the folder because I can create the folder, I just can't write to it. Oh, thanks, Quinn. Yeah, higher requirements. I'm trying to add content to it. Yeah. I don't want that. Now let's double check that it's like doing all that. Where is sandbox? It is. But like it should be able to write here. Like unless I need to. That doesn't make any sense. What I do, where's the scoped? this. And then this would be on library storage dir, right? Storage, yeah. And then it would be like that. I shouldn't need to do that, but I'm just kind of in a mode of trying things like that. Because I don't have permission for it. Let's print out the full error, not just localized description. I found sometimes it will get more data. It didn't. Oh, is it because it's like a previous run of the process made that folder already? So this one tries to make it again and it can't, but it doesn't have the permission to access the old one? That would make... Yeah, it made it itself still. This is confusing. Let's go back here. I want macOS though. Here we go. Wait, is this before sandboxing? macOS apps it's sandboxed have their own temporary directories and other related documents stored within directory you can obtain by calling NS home directory. Okay, well that's nice. It's a nice source. Even though documentation doesn't say that. Oh, here maybe? Nope, it just says to the user's home directory. That should be better documented. Because I'm not trying to, because I have read access from the other ones, which should allow copying, right? Let's try read and write. Let's try it. Great. So now that's copied it in. Interesting. Well, those exist now, right? So if I go in here, those should be copied over. So how does that make sense? Because when I call that here, I'm using the standard like file picker for this import files button. This is literally just calling file importer, which should handle all of the security stuff for me. If it, one of them, right? Yeah, this dialog provides security scoped URLs. Oh, does access include? No. What if I just do read only? Is it able to do it? I wonder. We also have to implement deleting. For now, I'm just manually deleting. So this is read only. It does work. Okay. But like it should also do read only for user selected file then. So what if I move these somewhere else? So like instead of having them here, I put them out. Fucking no. Where's like what's one that's not listed here? Pictures? I like how pictures isn't there. Let's put them in pictures. Let's call this not pictures. And then if I run this and use the file importer, maybe that's why. Maybe because those individual settings are like overriding it. I gotta delete them, right? And I gotta delete them from here. I think I already did that though. Nope, didn't. So if I go in here and I go, I want to import from my definitely not pictures, that still doesn't work. And it's saying that it can't do it because I don't have permission to access track library. But that doesn't make sense because it's in my sandbox. And I'm pretty sure file manager is not an out of process, like copy item is not an out of process thing, right? Yeah, I mean, yep, I just gave him the URL. And then it immediately catches the error. Here we go. Let's get this full thing out of here. Sublime. Couldn't be copied because you don't have permission to access track library as user info. Oopsie, that's not wrong. Then I have, I don't have the LVM syntax on here, wow. There we go. It couldn't be copied. It says the source is the thing I'm actually trying to copy over, destination is within here. Let's see if this is also actually a sandboxing issue or something else. I'm curious. Yeah, it's not showing up. Let's try to filter the process maybe. See if we just get anything from that. I love, oh, what is this? I love all this core data shit just happening in the background. Category, missing description. Wait, why did they not show up? Commentable sandbox reporting. This is like straight from the kernel though. This isn't coming from, 10 duplicate reports for sandbox Discord helper. Oh, we love Discord, don't we? Good job. All right. Here we go. Deny file read data. And then what's TCCD? TCC? What is this? Interesting. Also, wait, this is a really cool book. So this is doing the actual stuff. Let me save this in my Obsidian stuff because this looks really nice. I don't know what to call this, like macOS. TCC. What is this? This is like sandboxing. Oops. Okay. So why is it denying it a read if it's through the file? Maybe I need to do this. And then for this one, we'll do stop. And so it's not that. I think it's just a bad error message, honestly, because I shouldn't need to do that like that. And it's returning a security scoped URL. So when I'm using it here, it should catch that. Yes! Okay. Okay, that's where it is. I see. Okay. Alright, now this should be, I should be able to turn that back to none. And so since these are user selected files through the importer, it should just work. Well, that one. Oh, it already exists. I'm not doing my filtering. Oopsie. Where's that? The shallow copy filtering. Where did I put that? Let me say it this way. Where should I put it? Let's put it. We call import, and then this is needed with the default file picker. And this isn't quite doing what we want, right? Because that's just whenever this goes out of scope, I think, instead of whenever it should. Need to call start stop. Access security scoped resources when using the URL. C copy to the library. Okay. Did I do that comparison here? Oh, I did. So this just tries to import what you selected each time. And then tries to copy whatever it can. So if it already exists, we could get away with silently ignoring it. But what else could we do? We could, what do I want it to do? What do I want I'm trying to think what I want the default behavior to be almost for this. Like, do I want to just, I suppose the first option is I could just filter them out, right? I could go, hey, whenever you try to import a bunch of tracks, if any of them have the same name, no, because the functionality I'm going to implement later is going to be like, this whole thing is going to be ephemeral in the importing. So that would be, I think I'm okay leaving it like this for now. Because this is gonna be something that I don't know how to handle it later. Or I'm gonna want to handle it better later anyways, so I might as well just kind of kick the Chef Boyardee can down the road. Like I'm gonna have, like the way this whole thing is gonna work is like when you import a track in here, it's not gonna call like import until later, but it does need to do this. It does need to get all the metadata. This copy to library won't happen until you actually click like import. So it's that error is occurring here for now, but that's fine. And then it should have just one of each, right? Yeah, we're good. So yeah, it'll just bail out. So okay, we're fine. I'll put that here. Errors for duplicate track names are expected when importing tracks that are perhaps not, e.g. different date added, but same file name. Once the import wizard firm ephemerally. Once the import wizard has a staging area-esque modality, this will go away. Because of how it's used. This function will be used in the future. In that feature. Cool. In that feature. Okay, that's good. We have things that are importing, and it copies it if needed, and then it says that it's copied. So if I try to do it, well, that one's not gonna work, right? Oh crap, I have to add deleting. Let's do deleting after this. So this will be, let me delete this thing. Can I delete test with trash? Oh, all right. So this would be fix. I always forget what ticket it is, even though like I swear, 171. Okay, good, now we just got to deleting. Well, now we have a UX question because, hold on, I got a little Mastodon thing. Is this just from me pinging myself on my app account? Or me pinging my app account? Oh, it totally is, awesome. Yeah. All right. So there's a UX thing, right? So if I go in here, well, okay, now we're kind of in a weird state, but we're able to solve that, right? So if I go in here and I go, I want to copy in all these tracks, and I go back here. So if I right click, there's a difference between, so if I delete tracks that are referenced, I'm not deleting the file. It's like remove reference. So, but if I have tracks that are being deleted, or tracks that are actually copied in, and a user goes, I want to delete this track, that could be the last copy of the track that they have. Either way, I'm showing a confirmation. So what I could do is, in this modal, I could do like, you know, these are the ones that are referenced and these are the ones that are not. Or I could split the context menu out to be like, remove 5 references. How does Xcode do this? This is how Xcode does it for 1. What if I do multiple? Okay. Maybe I can just do that. So where's our, no, I wanna amend that. Where's our track delete alert? Oops. I have to disable that Xcode shortcut. That lets me just like open a new window. Right. Are you sure you want to delete that many tracks? What does Xcode do again? It goes, do you want to move these items? Well, these are always referenced or not referenced, right? So what if I have a mixed one? What if I go, I want to have a new group without folder. So root would be moving to trash, but the other one wouldn't. Oh, wow. Okay, Xcode just totally abstracts that logic away. That's fascinating. I always love it when like, I'm like, I wonder what Apple does for this. And then like the logic is totally abstracted away. It's like, we dodged it, get wrecked. And I'm like, okay, fine. But smart. I'm in the wrong file. I'm in completely the wrong file. Delete tracks. Here we go. This one. Yeah, we could just totally do it, right? So actions are going to be delete, or let's do remove reference, right? Which is just that. Let's try this. And then this will do, oh, we gotta move these up here too, right? Let's have remove references and then like remove files. And then we'll just have a couple helper functions. So remove references and then prep func. And then I kind of want these to just be nicely encapsulated because we can do that. Right, so those are remove references. And then delete files. I like how those are different words. Like I kind of wish it was more organized, but the friction makes sense. And then when you call delete files, right, we're gonna actually delete the files and then we're actually gonna delete the files and then we're gonna remove the references afterward, right? So our reference to the file, let's put a call out there. So this would just call library engine.share.delete. And then I would just pass in the tracks, right? Okay, and this is delete tracks. So how do I delete files? What did I do? It was in, I still had a reference to it over here, right? Nope, I didn't. Awesome, great. File. Oh, I still have to do the same filtering thing too, right? And then I kind of want this to be ephemeral, or not ephemeral, but like contain no side effects, right? So and then I only want to delete the ones that are, and this I could just do the filter, right? And then such that import mode is copy. Will have no effects from tracks. Effect will have no effect on tracks that are just references. Will still delete tracks that are just references. Because I'm still calling remove references, right? Oh, haha. I tried to get sneaky. Okay. And then we can just call remove references to all, right? Okay, that makes more sense. We'll keep these tighter scoped. So we call delete, which then goes over here, and then we go, hey buddy, for track in tracks, file manager dot delete, remove item, at URL, do try catch, error deleting, track.title, error.localize description, and continue. Delete files. Delete copied tracks. Delete copied resources. Delete copied files. It's not the best name, but I'd rather have it be a little bit more descriptive. It's just deleting the files. It's not actually doing the other stuff. So if you select, like in this case, I have a bunch of tracks that are copied and I do a delete, I have the option to remove the references to them, which will delete our references to the tracks, but it won't actually delete the file. But then a user won't actually be able to get to them, I suppose. Versus if well, this should work. If I delete it, this should be gone, right? That's fine, because they're actually gone. Woo, okay, good. But these ones, right? So if I do remove references, I'm kind of screwed because I can't import those two again. They won't show up. I'll be down. Oh. That shouldn't have happened. Why are we getting another sandbox error? This is from the pictures, right? Damn, did I really need that in the... I swear I tested that in the import button. Shit, all right, import button. Import files button. Really? I swear. This one, this part right here in audio file engine. And it was right before this, right? Did I need that? Do I really need that? Are you kidding me? This is not in the pictures, right? Yeah, damn, I guess I did need it. Okay, that was weird. Okay, but yeah, look, now it didn't import the other two because it's like, hey buddy, that file is already there. So the user has no way of knowing how to get back to that. I don't like that. I think that if you only select references, you should only be able to delete. You should only be able to remove the reference. If you selected tracks that are persisted, like the file exists, you shouldn't be able to create a dead hanging track. So if I go back to wherever the thing is, here we go. Right, so well, this is kind of funky now. So I go back and delete these files, and then I can just go and delete the references and I won't get any errors, right? So like if I go, hey, I want to delete these. So let's do this. If you try to, here we go. Private var selection contains persisted tracks, no, copied tracks. And then we'll do a import mode copy. Let's do that. So if the selection contains copied tracks, we want to disable doing this, right? And then similarly, if it doesn't contain copied tracks, we want to disable the deleting. And then if we do mixes, right? Well, let's see first this, right? So if I go delete, it goes, well, you can delete it. Maybe not disabled. Let's do this. So if you contain the, shit, wait a minute. Now, wait, this is now the other way, because these are the other thing, right? Right, awesome. So this goes here, this goes down here. So if you have copied tracks, you're only able to delete them. And I should probably, I'm calling both good. And then otherwise, you're only presented with the option to do that. If it contains both, it would default to this. Right? I think that makes sense. I think that's fine. I want the base case, so to speak, to be covered. So if I go delete, it should only opt me to delete the files. But if I go back and, oh, let's do that, right? Let's delete all these files. Those are gonna be gone. Let's import the top one as a reference. And then we'll say we want to copy the second one in. So now we have a mix. So if we try to remove reference, it'll go, oh, I want to remove the reference. If I delete this one, it'll go, oh, I want to delete it. If I do both, it should just say delete. Okay. We could add a little logic if we wanted to. So let's do if track.trackset contains import mode equals dot copy and dot come on Xcode, you could do it. We'll do like, let's make this a named one. Selection contains, I'm almost wondering if like I could return like an enum. Nah, I'll keep it simple. Let's just do it contains both import types. And then we don't need the parentheses, the parenthesis. And then this is going to be if it needs both import types. Since How to handle this? I'm almost wondering if this even makes sense to point out to the user. Like if I, the user, know that one of these is copied and one of them is saved, I'm just worried about losing the one that would be like saved, that would be persisted. So in this case, it would be nice to be told like, hey, you know, one of these is a reference that will not be deleted. What if we do that? What if we do that? So we could do this. We could do let copy count or copied count equals tracks dot filtered. Can I do count where? No, I could do filter. Import modes dot copy dot count. We'll add that back in. And then our import mode is reference. And then actually we don't want to do the count, we can just do copied and then reft. So if copied dot is not empty, we could do copied dot count tracks. Well, I'll fix that. Will be removed. And then yeah, if reference is empty, and then we'll do the same thing but with referenced. I like this a lot more. Tracks will let's see how this looks. Oh, I already have them. So if I do just the reference, it should say, are you sure you're gonna delete one? Are you sure I'm gonna delete one? If I do both, oh, I didn't do it, what the hell? Is this a builder? It's a view builder. Great. All right, this should be a alert message. And then this will be helper funcs. And then this will be a, oh, duh. Wait, can I just make this like a VStack? Okay, I'm silly. I think that's why it wasn't working. It was picking out the top. Picking out the top. So it would be true. Can't I do like text appending? Can't I do this? Like a conditional add on that? I shouldn't need that. I'm pretty sure you can do that. Oh, because that might not have one at the end after it. Okay. Oh my god, it's already 10:30. Jeez. All right, I'm gonna wrap up relatively soon, but I'm close here. If we have, oh, did my OBS completely freeze? Oh, my camera died. That's all. Whew, okay. I was like, oh no. All right, that's fine. Hold on, wait. Let me just. Oh god, where is it? Boop. All right, we're gonna be cameraless while my phone charges up. I replaced the battery today. Like I did it myself. Took like 3 hours. And so now it's gotta calibrate it. So I had to drain it. I had to charge it to 100 and then drain it to 0, and now it's gonna charge up to 100. I might have messed up some part of it, but it's fine. All right, so while, oh, I didn't actually transition it. Boop, there we go. Arc, where are you? Here. Hello. All right. Arc. So that's a cool jazzy vibe. So why is this not working? What if I just comment this out? Because my guess is the view builder. Oh no, view builder should be able to like process if statements. Oh, maybe it can only show one line at a time. That sucks. I really don't want to start appending messages together. That just seems like a. I might just have to. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Return message. And then message dot append. Isn't there a way for me to do like, no. I can do that, which I don't like it, but we're gonna get around those APIs somehow, one way or another. Lucky. And then now I could just put a text of that. There we go. So let's do 1. Let's add 2. I want two new lines between those. To track. And then I'll add the plural. What's that like cool trick you can do? It was from someone's talk at Deep Dish. It was like interpolation or something. Oops, I forgot the backslash. Duh. I'll just handle it for you. But I also should really start doing localization at some point. Cool, and then for reference, cool. Actually, wait, I should be able to just add a localized thing, right? Where do I put it? I would put it under utility. Oh. I put it under utilities, honestly. Or maybe it has to go on like the root. I put it under utilities. Let's put it here. New file. And then what's the cool thing that everyone's doing? app privacy property list, just like a string catalogs. Yeah, string catalog is like the cool thing. Woo, awesome. And so I can make a, what is it? And then isn't there a way for me to make this pluraled? Yeah, I want to make that key plural. Oh, that's cool. You could do like needs reviewed. But I want this to be vary by plural. I don't have to do like a silly like Boolean or like a thing on wow, we're doing everything today. We're doing file systems, localization, everything. Oh, %LLD, that's what it is. Yeah, that's what I want. And that's for the key or for the value? Oh, the key. There we go. And then, what the heck? What in the heck? That's weird. Is it LLD? Yes. First, localize the text using the value the string is dependent on using string interpolation. And then in the catalog editor, select the edge you want, control click the variant key, right click, and then select vary by plural. Yeah, it doesn't let me. That's really weird. Maybe I need to like connect it as the oh shit, not that. Uh-oh. Ow. Maybe I need to like connect it as the localized thing, whatever it's called. Did I skip a step? Yeah, I should be able to put it anywhere. Let me try moving it out here just to see what it'll do. That'd be really, oh my god, of course. Okay, that's really annoying. That's fine. I love magic tricks of Xcode like that. File and files, and then we'll do it here too. We'll create a ticket for this to like go through the rest. Let's do it for like 0.6 maybe, like localize all the things with plurals to be nice. Go through all strings. A few places where plurals are manually done. Put them in the localized file. So this would be like tracks, files, paths, albums, sections, genres. Right? Awesome. And this is going to be an infra. This would be core work. Cool. Okay, well now, now I shouldn't need to do that because now it should just do, it's going to put them together. because it's not going to be a value, because the value doesn't immediately follow. Hold on, let's do it for references before we forget. And what did they say? You do oops, no, I wanted. Oh, hello, good morning, good morning. Oh, sorry, I just saw the message from somebody in chat that said hi, like 40 minutes ago. We love YouTube, we love YouTube. All right, where the hell did the string catalog thing go? Plural, plural, plural. Okay, I think you could use either, so that's fine. We'll just use references. And then it should figure out the other one. And let's add references too. So %LD references. Oh, now it's not doing it. There we go. Ugh. References. And these are approved, right? Mark is reviewed. Let's see what happens. Oh, lovely. It filled in all the other stuff. I mean, I guess that's nice. Good to know. Yeah, one track files. Nope, not that one. Where is this string? I want that one. One track references will be deleted. It's not there. It's this one. I think the backslash ends. Oh, because I'm putting it in as like a whole chunk of text. So it's freaking out. Right, it would be, are you sure? Whatever that is. This one. No, not that one. It's like the beginning of are you sure? What does this start with? Ugh, yeah, this is why I didn't want to do the string thing, because now it just messes it all up. Let's do track files and track references. Let's fix that. So this would be track file, and then this would be track references. And then track files, and this would be, wow, they should really add more keyword shortcuts to this. I feel bad for whoever built this though, because maybe this is custom, maybe this isn't, yeah, this is a list, it's not a table, okay. Because in one of my views, I have like a custom, I did that as well, like in here. If you get the right amount of clicks, you can, there's a text field in here. I kind of messed up how oh, there it is. Yeah, you can do this and you could rename tracks like that. Oh shit, I have to rename the URLs when you rename a track. Ugh. That's an important one. Okay, back to this though. Let's see if that was able to detect it from this interpolation. I might have to tag it with localized string key as the type, not just string. I do. Is message.append. Oh. Can I just do that? So it'll just localize like that chunk of it. No. Where's that debug option that does the... I swear there's like a debug option that just makes it all caps or something like that. Localization debugging, there we go. Which kind of seems a little confusing for me because it's like, oh, well, what if, ooh, lots of errors. Yeah, it is localizing it because it's not capitalized. Maybe it's looking for, Where is it? That's really weird. That should reference, maybe the new line is breaking it. I don't know. That's hacky. If we are sniffing down the rabbit hole here today. Oh, it worked. Yay, awesome. Okay, cool. It was the new lines. Wow, well, that feels good. And then if I do both, is it gonna do it correctly? One track files. God damn it. But when I do one of them, it worked. No. It still didn't work. Let's try making what if I just try making this a localized string key? And then this is going to be also a localized string key, so it infers it correctly. Oh, you can't do appending. You can't append to that because it's a key. That would make sense. So what if instead we have these be... Well, this is just going to be a string. And then you could do this. And then, I don't like this at all. And then we could do, God. And then we could do this, and then this. And so instead, these are going to be localized, right? These are going to be localized string keys. And then at the end, oh shit, we can't compare them. We can't append them. Ugh. Well, surely I can do this, right? I can do, and then I could do one of these. Has a localized string key. Form 2, format specifiable. Why are you not format specifiable? Oh, because of that. Which we're localizing them within here, so that's fine. Okay, that should work. Shit. That should work. Because now it's gonna look for the key just for the thing of that part. That made sense. Ooh. Well, it did something. Why did it not resolve it? So how do you like, oh, what's the, oh, that makes sense. Let's just do that. Let's try that. And then those will be localized on their own, right? And then I can do append if I really wanted to, but yay! Oh, what the fuck? Well, now it's not finding it. Okay, so why are you not? There we go. Okay. Oh, because it's the whole key. Okay, that makes sense. We've figured it out. So I'm gonna pluralize the shit out of this. One track file, and then files, and then this one track reference, one track references, some track references. I'm gonna mark all of these. Can you not do like batch select in here? Are you kidding me? Yep, someone had to implement this with a list. Like I can't just mark all of them as review. Ugh. Because I want to mark this one as done, but like I can't do that. I can do it like that. Anyways. All right, so that's good. Now I can go back to the other way I did it. Can I just like undo everything I did and then I just do one of these. So it's using the localized key from that. And same thing here. And then we do string of localized. And then that, right? Does that work? Extra parenthesis. And then we return message, and this could just be a string because we're localizing each part of it, so we're fine. And then let's do a build. All right, let's see how it works. There we go. It's slightly redundant, but it's good. So now if you do both, it goes, hey, one track file will be deleted, one track reference will be deleted, the original files will still be available. Hell yeah, awesome, I like it. Cool, and then we don't need this. This one we're gonna do correctly, right? No, we're not gonna do that one correctly. We're gonna go back to it. What's the shortcut for edit scheme? I swear it's command semicolon. Oh God, I just did a million commands. I don't know what any of them did. That's fine. Boop, there we go. Okay. What did we just do? What did I just do? We added deletion and the handling for it. I should also add an option to like, I'll create a separate ticket for that. I'll like add an option to delete all data files, all local files. Where is it? Let's do add option. Let's do that. Shit, I just have to save a draft. How do I get my draft? Oh well. Add option to preferences to delete all local track files. To delete all track files copied over would be as a storage debugging mechanism. That'd be pretty easy to do. I can just have it as a button. And that's gonna be refined. Oh, we did this. Awesome, that's done. And we're working on this one already. And this one's about to be done. Distinction between referenced tracks and copied tracks, like Xcode. Cool. And then we have to do this. We still have to do the UI for it, but this, at least in the pop-up, is there. And I'm gonna add a little screenshot of it just because I like to do that. Boop. There we go. All right, it works. Let's commit it. What is it? Cab 172. Tracks and reference with dialog. I don't know how this got tracked or whatever. Can I like just show it in Finder?
Just what is it that you want to do?
Where is that? Where are you? Awesome. All right, I'll push that up and give it a little access. All right, that was really successful. Oh my God. Let me just double check that works before I call it here, which I really shouldn't do, right? I should just like assume that it's all great and then I'd be happy for a night and then tomorrow I log in and feel sad that I broke something. No, it's fine. So let me go to the Finder, really know. Here's our one song. That's the one that's copied. If I go delete, I can delete it and it disappears. And then this reference, obviously there's no reference, so I'm just gonna do that. Then if I go back and I go, hey, I wanna copy in all these songs, it copies them all in, it goes ta-da, and then I can go here and I can import more songs. Crap, let's do, I mean, these aren't really great songs, right? But you know, they're there. Oh shit, I copied them. That's fine. Reference. Let's reference like these ones down here. Wow, this is really like a stress test. So if I delete these copied, it'll go delete the copied ones. If I delete one of the reference, it'll do remove the references, the original file will still be available. If I do a mix, yeah, two will be deleted, two will be deleted. The original files will still be available. Hell yeah, I'm proud of that. That is respectful of user data and it won't absolutely destroy their shit. Awesome. Awesome sauce. I'm gonna mark this as done. 2 tickets, boom. And we still have to do the UI. And I want to just quickly flip those two around because I keep forgetting it. And it's like, oh shit, and there's no undo yet because SwiftUI, Swift Data Undo is like really borked. Where is it? Import button right here. Yeah. Let's flip those. I love how easy this is in SwiftUI. Like, can you like imagine going back to like UIKit? All right. Look at that. Awesome. Cool. And then you can delete it. Oh, and that works from anywhere. Like it will just work from anywhere because it's just reusing the same context menu. So I could go assign these to here and assign this to here, go into this one and go, hey, I want to go delete these, and it'll just be the same view. So I don't have to like do all that work because I did a really good job of like modularizing all this out, and I can move them. Oh, it's so nice to see an app just work. It's so nice to see this just work. For deleting albums, I even handled it because I'm just not even giving the option. Just those are going to be put down to the mapper, and try deleting album. All right, I'll go and debug that later. I think it's just a cascade thing that I didn't do. Oh no, you know what? I know what it is. Album. Was it track or was it album? It was whatever that stash was, right? That I deleted. That's where that stash was. And then where's the album? Where is the album? Maybe I modified it in 1.1. Oh, I could see if it was the same. Delete imported tracks. We don't want to delete the corresponding album when deleting a track. Now that makes sense. But what about when deleting the album? So if we have an album and we call delete, on this, we just deny it? What did I do? Yeah, we don't want to delete those. Okay, we'll debug that later. That's a later problem. I'm gonna add to triage. Swift data error when tracks with the deny rule should handle it. Handle this, but it is not. Sad face. And then we'll do steps to repro would be create album, add tracks into it, add copied tracks, right click delete album, expected, no errors, actual console errors, and then I can add a what is it, like a summary, a detail. How do you do like a collapsible thing here? Does linear not have? Come on, linear. Come on. I know you got it. Ugh. I'm sure there's a way to do it. Well, it's gonna go to triage. Maybe it's in this editor. Yeah, I can't. Didn't they add like a whole thing for this? I gotta just add each comment. Can you like fold code? But nope, can't do that. I love that it thinks that it's Dart. That's so funny. Here's a bunch of errors. It sounds like this programming language. That's some shade. Okay. Oh well. Yeah. I really wish. Ugh. I swear there's a way to do it. Can I not fold that? Content state, we love it. React spotted. Okay, I'll just save this to a file. Can't I just like drag this onto my desktop and then I'll just do it? .txt. Oh yeah. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it added everything else there. We will just, oh, what the hell? Clipping contents. Okay, hold on. Oops, I fucking completely broke iTerm. Wow. Stop. Oh, woof. Okay, let's not do that again. Hold on. I just gotta do copy, wherever the copy is. And then pb paste desktop test error.txt. That didn't work. That would work. Woo, awesome. And now I can put this text file in linear. Boop. Awesome. Okay, that's that. That's that. And this is well ahead of schedule. Not ahead of schedule, but it's coming along well. I'm still not sure why this one happens, but I mean, I'm making a ton of changes to this, so that might even just go away on its own. I don't think I need to do this anymore. Like, I actually don't think I need to. Oh no, I do for images. Crap. Okay, that's still, I still have to debug that. Okay, that's fine. But we made a lot of good progress today. Oh, look at that. Look at that go. Look at that completion slope go up. What's my like technical deadline for this 0.5? I have it as end of May. But what are these like two? I forget what the two forecasts are. It's like a supply and demand curve. Oh, I think one of these is like if I keep up my current rate, and then one of the, yeah, it's like this is like the maximum rate and that's the lowest rate. So I mean, yeah, I'll be ahead of schedule at this rate, which is good. I kind of need to be, because 1.0 is really getting squished in here. So I'll have to, this will be busy. This will be a busy few days, so that's okay. He'll be busy. Let's make my 8.6 a little smaller. And then like 1.0 gets launched. Maybe like a big, woohoo, big party. I wish you could just put like a party on here. That'd be nice. And that's for all the betas. Oh, all right, so what do we call it here? It's like about 3 hours, 3.5 hours. I'm exhausted. That was good work. I can kind of do a little mini demo. So we added this thing here. This was already here, but now we've added it to here. And then you can import a track, and if you do, it'll reference it, and so it'll copy it in. Oh god, I didn't do the thing because I think I already put it in here. Sorry, hold on. Boop, boop, boop. So if I copy it, it copies them in, and then these are now copied. And I can delete them, and these will like actually delete them. Or I can decide to put them in as references, and it will just reference them. So these will be references, it won't be copied in. If I choose to copy some other ones, it'll be able to handle deleting across both, because it'll say, hey, da, 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 and then it'll try to delete. It will delete the files and then also delete the references. So it'll be smart and it'll just handle everything. Don't you love it when things just work? It's like, it's just smart and it just handles everything. I love that. I got all this stuff going too. Woo! All right, I'm curious. Did we hit 5,000 lines of code yet? Oh, we're so close. We'll get there. Well, there's like almost 7,000, but I'm not counting comments. Almost 5,000. All right, I'm loving here. Thanks y'all for stopping in. Sorry, there's no camera for the latter half. Phone ran out of battery, and then I got lazy. I was in the zone, you know. You know how it is. All right, have a good one, y'all. I'm gonna try to do another stream maybe at some point because it's a lot of fun. It's stressful, but it's a lot of fun. Bye bye.